A warm welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how to make roasted tomato chokha, keep watching. Tomato chokha is really simple to make. Wash the tomatoes and place on a wire mesh on an open flame. You can roast the pepper and garlic as well. I usually leave the skin on the garlic during the roasting and remove it after it's roasted. Turn the tomatoes to make sure they are cooked thoroughly. Turn off the flame and remove any overly charred skin of the tomatoes and garlic. You can use tongs and a fork to peel off the charred skin. Mash the tomatoes, garlic and pepper until smooth. Add chopped onions, salt and olive oil and give it a good mix. Here I'm serving it with my sauteed root veggies or provisions, which is a combination of sweet potatoes and dasheen or taro root. You can check out that video. I will link it here. And that's it, fire roasted tomato chokha. You can have it with any type of roti or chappatis or even dal and rice. Or if you choose, in this case, I made it with the sauteed root veggies. So there are a number of accompaniments for this beautiful dish. It's so simple and it's so delicious and nutritious. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and give me a thumbs up. It lets me know you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.